The MX500 series from Crucial are a mid-range SSD series which are identical in design, the storage units having a silver metal case and a blue sticker applied on the front side. So we can safely assume that most of the budget went into the memory chips and the controller, and thus into the performance. In addition to that, the SSDs are only 7mm thick, and this makes them compatible with the Intel Ultrabook specifications. Disassembling the SSD, we have a single PCB design with all the memory chips mounted on one side of the board. The SSR controller has a thermal pad that makes the contact between the chip surface and the metal case, this providing some degree of passive cooling. The TLC flash chips inside the 500GB variant of the MX500 are made by Micron and are built on a 64-layer 3D NAND platform. This new platform is more power efficient without sacrificing the performance of the storage unit, and in addition, a lower power usage results in a lower temperature of this SSD overall. The packaging is a standard cardboard box that offers decent protection. The actual SSD sits inside the plastic tray, so it is held in the middle of the box without making contact with any of the sides. This offers great protection in terms of dropping the box or sliding it around. But the good value doesn't stop here, because for all their drives and more, Crucial has developed their own software for the management and system information of the storage units. It is called Crucial Storage Executive and offers no less than 10 pages of information and functions for their storage drives. This includes the smart status for each installed drive, firmware version, and the option to update the firmware through the software, as well as PSID revert, which can help with locked drivers from other pieces of software. Now we can safely move to the performance of this affordable drive. In the case of this video and review, we are using the 500GB version of the MX500 and will be using a few synthetic benchmarks to check the all-around performance of this drive. We start with the HD Tune Pro read and writes tests, and we compare the SSD with different storage drives. Unfortunately, nothing from the high-end SSD segment, but have no fear, once I will get the chance to test some of the higher end SSDs on the market, I will make sure to have them compared with the MX500. Continuing the testing with the new version of the well-known storage benchmark Crystal Dismark, now being at its 6th version. When looking at the two benchmarks, we can see the consistency of this drive. Both the write and read speeds are better than, for example, a similarly priced Transcend SSD, and are much better than a Western Digital 1TB Blue Edition. The Crucial MX500 is one of the most affordable high-capacity SSDs available on the market at this moment, with a price tag of around $70 or 65 euros. It offers a great price per gigabyte ratio and a reliability that started with the MX300 series. In addition, while the SSD average price has lowered, the MX500 still offers good performance in both writing and reading tasks. The MX500 is also available with a manufacturer's warranty of 5 years, a statement that shows the true performance and reliability of the memory chips built on the new 64-layer 3D NAND platform. But the goal of this SSD is the performance and the capacity offered, the size starting at 256GB and going up to as much as 2TB while maintaining a lower price than other drives.